How to make money with AI in 2025. Beginner's Guide. AI is changing everything from how we work to how we make money. And in 2025, it's easier than ever to build an AI-powered online business. Imagine earning passive income while AI does the hard work for you. In this video, I'll reveal the best AI tools and new money-making strategies that can make you $10,000 per month or more. Watch till the end because I'll show you a step-by-step guide to launching your first AI business today. 1. How AI is revolutionizing online income. What's happening? AI is replacing traditional jobs but creating new money-making opportunities. AI tools like ChatGPT, MidJourney, and AI automation allow anyone to start an online business. Companies are paying huge amounts of money for AI-driven services. SEO keywords, AI automation, business ideas 2025. How to make money with AI tools, AI replacing jobs. 2. Best AI tools to automate businesses. Top AI tools for making money, ChatGPT 5, AI writing, chatbots, and automation. MidJourney 6- AI generated art for print-on-demand and NFT creation. Runway ML and Pika Labs. AI video editing and faceless YouTube automation. Make.com and Zapier. AI automates workflows for passive income. AI music tools, AI VA, Suno Boomi. Make money with AI-generated music. SEO keywords. Best AI tools for business. 2025 AI software to make money online. How to use ChatGPT for business. 3. Making money with ChatGPT, MidJourney, and AI video tools. 5. High-paying AI business models. 1. AI-powered copywriting, $5,000 to $20,000 per month. Sell ChatGPT written blogs, add copy on Fiverr/Upwork. Offer AI email marketing and sales scripts. 2. AI art and print on demand, $3,000 to $30,000 per month. Use MidJourney to create t-shirts, posters, and book covers. Sell on Etsy, Redbubble, and Shopify. 3. AI-generated YouTube channels, $10,000 to $50,000 per month. Use AI voiceovers and faceless video editing. Monetize with ads, sponsorships, and affiliate marketing. 4. AI chatbot business, $5,000 to $50,000 per month. Sell custom AI chatbots to businesses. Use GPT-powered automation to handle customer support. 5. AI stock market and crypto trading, $5,000 to $100,000 per month. Use AI bots to trade crypto and stocks, but be cautious. AI-powered research tools help find high-profit trades. SEO keywords. How to make money with ChatGPT. Best AI business ideas, 2025. How to make money with MidJourney. 4. Passive income ideas with AI, ways to make passive income. With AI-generated blogs, $5,000 to $20,000 per month. Automate content creation with ChatGPT and monetize with ads. AI-generated online courses, $10,000 plus per month. Use AI to create and sell digital courses. AI-powered faceless YouTube, $10,000 to $50,000 per month. Fully automated content and ad revenue. AI-powered affiliate marketing, $5,000 to $50,000 per month. AI writes content that ranks on Google and drives passive sales. SEO keywords. Passive income with AI 2025. How to automate business with AI-powered affiliate marketing. Call to action. AI is creating unlimited money-making opportunities. But the question is, are you ready to take action? Comment below which AI business model you're most excited about. Want step-by-step guides on starting your AI business? Like and subscribe for more AI money-making strategies.